How to make YouTube ads. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can make your very own YouTube ads. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So to make a YouTube ad, first you need to come over to Google Ads. So this is the website's ad.google.com, and once you're over here you just simply have to log in or sign up. It's very easy, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and once you have clicked on the sign in button, there you go. So currently, as you can see, I've already had made a, campaign over here. So this was the final step. It was asking me for the billing method. So let me just go ahead and go back to Google Ads and try to make a new one. So this one is in progress. Let me just go ahead and remove it. All right, sign in. All right, now I want to create a new Google Ads account. And there you go. So once you have, logged in or signed up, this is how it's going to look like. What's your advertising goal? They're basically going to ask you get more calls, get more website sales or sign up, get more visits for physical locations and stuff like that, brand awareness. But this is for the standard mode. What we want to do is we want to switch to expert mode so that we have more options and so that we can have a clear view of what our goal is and how much we're paying. Because if you choose the standard option, you might end up paying a little bit more than what you actually should be. So underneath, as you can see, are you a professional marketer? So switch to expert mode. So we're going to go ahead and switch to the expert mode so that we have a little bit more options. All right, so once you do that, first things first, you're gonna need to, choose your objectives. So you have a bunch of different objectives over here. You have sales, you have leads, you have website traffic, you have product and brand awareness, reach, app promotion, local store visits, and stuff like that. What we're gonna do is we're going to choose this one, create a campaign without a goal guidance. So basically all these campaigns, right, all these objectives have their own goals and guidances. So you don't have to worry about that. But for a video ad, since we're creating a YouTube ad, what we're going to need to do is we need to create a campaign without a goal, so that we can choose our own set of goal. So then what we want to do is we want to select the campaign type. So we have search, display, a video, app, we have smart, and all the other ones is for the other ones. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to click on, this one, video, since we are trying to create a YouTube ad. So we're going to choose video, and then they're going to ask us what is the campaign subtype. So custom video campaign, non-skippable, in-stream, outstream, drive conversion, or ad sequence. This basically tells us a little bit about them. So custom video campaign, it basically customizes your own settings with a skippable in-stream ad, bumper ads, or in-feed video ads. So this one is pretty good. A non-skippable in video stream shares your entire message up to 15 seconds with non-skippable in-stream. So this is basically a unskippable ad for up to 15 seconds, and then reach people on their phones and tablets using CPMV bidding with outstream ads. So this is basically, you might have seen, like, if you're playing an app or a game and out of nowhere an ad pops up. So this is basically how this one is in the outstream. And then drive conversions, this is basically get more conversions with video ad designed to encourage valuable interactions with your business. It basically helps you get more conversions and stuff like that. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to click on, custom video campaign. Basically these are, skippable in-stream ads you might have seen on YouTube. So we're going to use that, and we're going to click on continue. And after that, what we need to do is we need to name our, campaign name. This is basically campaign settings over here. We're basically creating the campaign itself. So this is the video campaign over here, and we can, give it a name. All right, so we'll just give it a video custom campaign. That's what the name is. All right, and then we have the bid strategy over here, which is maximum CPV. CPV stands for cost per view. So this is pretty good. So we're gonna, keep it at that CPV so that the following bid strategies aren't available in campaign, so that we get our cost per view. So we're gonna use that, as you can see over here with maximum CPV, cost per views. You set the most you're willing to pay each time your ad is viewed. You can create skippable in streams or in feed video ads with this bid strategy, so which is good. So we're going to choose that. And then we have the budget and date, so basically the campaign total. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to change the campaign total to daily budget over here, and we're going to give it $5 for daily budget. And then we have the edit date and end date, and we're going to edit that. And as you can see, the edit date, there is no end date, so we're good with that. So that's it. So as you can see over here, for the month, you won't pay more than your daily budget time, the average number of your days in a month. Some days you might spend less than your daily budget, and on other days you might spend up to twice as much. So keep that in mind. And right now, based on our campaign settings, but not your budget or bid, our impressions are about 10 billion plus. So, which is pretty cool. And then we have network here. So over here in networks, we have YouTube search results, YouTube videos, and video partner display. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of video partner display and YouTube search results, since our ad is a YouTube video ad. People are not going to be searching for it. So we'll basically keep the video ad over here. And as you can see, the impressions didn't take a hit there. So keep that in mind. And then we have locations. We need to select a country or a location to target. We can select all countries and territories, United States and Canada, United States and other if you want. So keep this in mind. The more concentrated your location is, basically, for example, if you target a specific town or a specific part of a city in a country, then your ads will cost more than if you just select the general area. So for example, if I select the United States and Canada, I won't have to pay as much. But if I selected, let's say, New York City within New York and within USA, then I would pay a lot more. So keep that in mind. So for now, let's just keep it United States and Canada. And then we have languages. We'll just go with English over here. Since English is a very common language, we'll go with that. Is there Canadian? No, Canadian is English as well. So yeah, we'll just keep it at that. And then we have inventory type. Over here, we have these three options. So we have expanded inventory, standard inventory, and then we have limited inventory. Basically, show ads on contents that's appropriate for most brands. Basically, it excludes repeated strong profanity, strong sexual content, and discussion of sex itself and violence, either real or dramatized. So what we need to do is we'll just keep it standard. All right, we don't want to go expanded or limited. If you go limited, you won't make as much money as you want, or stuff like that. Your ad might not get approved. Sometimes happens, your ad will not be on a lot of videos. But if you choose expanded inventory, your ads will pop up on every single one of them. But it's a little too much. So we'll just go with standard over here, and then we'll just close that up. And then you have excluded types and labels. So over here you can choose which labels and videos and exclusions you want, but for now I suggest you leave it as it is and don't change anything. And then you have related videos over here. You can add related videos to help increase your engagement if you want. So these videos will appear below your video ads and offer an immersive video experience to help reinforce and expand your ads message. So if you want, you can go ahead and add that as well. And then you have a bunch of additional settings. If you want, you can go ahead and add that. So then you have create your ad group. So basically skip ad group and ad creation. This is for an advanced tutorial. So over here, basically what you're going to need to do is you have your ad group over here. You can add basically a demographic. So you can add like female, male, unknown. You have your age groups over here. You have parental status, you have household incomes. It all depends on you. For example, let's just say that our video is not for the age of 18 to 24. It's not for parents and unknown, and they're both for male, female, and the house income, it doesn't matter. So this is basically going to be the demographics over here. And then we have audio segments over here. Basically we can select more segments if you want. Basically we can try like software as well. So that means that ads will be categorized by that segment. So for example, software, we can have like in market segment, software, enterprise software, business productivity software. We have a bunch of these. So basically you get to choose the segment of which your ad falls into. It all depends on you. So we'll just leave it at that for now. And then you have keywords, then you have topics, and then you have placements. Basically you can add a bunch of different keywords to promote your ad. You have your topics over here, and you have placements over here. You can add like phrases, you can add like YouTube channels, YouTube videos, video lineup, or whatever. Basically it will show you where your ad will pop up. So basically if there's a YouTube channel or basically a YouTube videos basically for your competitors, then you can choose those videos and those YouTube channels so that your ad pops up over there, so that you can have more brand awareness as well. And then you have bidding. So basically in bidding you will have to add like a another bidding for your ad creation group. You can go ahead and add that. So basically here, the top content bidding adjustment, you can enter a number to see an example. So let's just say 5%, then your $10 bid will become 10.5. So keep that in mind. So we'll just write 5 over here. Down below, you'll have to upload the YouTube video. So basically, if you all have already uploaded a video, then what you can do is you can copy the link for that video and then paste it over here. Or if you haven't, uploaded the video, you can click over here, go to YouTube to upload your video. So we'll just go ahead and click on go to YouTube to upload our video. Keep that in mind. We'll keep the video as an unlisted so that people don't see it. All right, select the file over here. Let me just go ahead and select the file. All right, since I've selected the video, it's uploading right now. And now over here I can basically select the playlist. All right, keep that in mind. We have to upload it, so that it doesn't keep it unlisted, so that it doesn't change your channel's algorithm and stuff like that. So remember that. As you can see, it's saved as private as well, so we don't have to worry about that. And once it's uploaded, all we have to do is copy this link and paste it over here. All right, no video found yet because it's not uploaded yet, so we'll just wait a couple of seconds for it to be uploaded. So as you can see over here, it says unlisted, so we'll just choose unlisted and click on save, and boom, we're good to go. So here we go. Now we'll just copy the link of the video. All right, so as you can see, it's over here. Now we'll go back and place the link over here and click on create a campaign. So this is the video itself. We'll just copy that. It should be over here. All right, paste it. There we go. As you can see, now we can choose what we can do. So if we choose the skippable ad, all right, so it's gonna look like this, all right, and the mobile is gonna look like this on desktop, and this is how it's gonna look like on TV. But if we choose an in-feed video ad, all right, then we have to choose like a thumbnail of it, all right, and then this is how it's gonna look like over here. It's gonna be in the feed, so keep that in mind. So we'll just choose a skippable in-stream ad so that people can actually see it. And then we can add like a final URL. All right. And we can add like a display URL, and we can have like a call to action if we want. And then we can go ahead and click on auto generate using video for your channel, or upload an image for the thumbnail itself. So keep that in mind. Final URL. What is the final URL? It's basically a URL that can help the people reach your operation over here. So as you can see, help the people reach after clicking your ad. It should match what your ad promotes, so you can't cross domain re-edits for your final edit. So just go ahead for this one. If you are trying to get some more views on your channel or stuff like that, then what I would recommend is copying the link of your channel and then pasting it over there. So keep that in mind. So this is my channel. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it, and then over here I'm just simply gonna paste that link. There we go. This is the display ad. Now once that's done, everything looks good, just simply click on create your campaign, and then you're good to go. After that, you can enter in your billing things over here, like add in your credit card or your billing method, and then after that, just simply click on submit, and boom, you are good to go. Your YouTube ad has been created. So that's how you create a YouTube ad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, goodbye.